We're going to guide you through the steps to enabling display the FPS counter using the NVIDIA app. If this video helps, please consider liking it and subscribing. Click the search bar at the bottom and type in NVIDIA App. Once it opens, head over to the left-hand side and click on Settings at the top. You'll see NVIDIA Overlay. Make sure it's switched on. Then press Alt+Z to bring it up. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click on Statistics. Now from here, you can choose what you want to view. There are a few different options, but I just want to see the FPS counter, so I'll select that one to enable it. You can press Alt+R or simply use the toggle at the top. Now, launch your game. Once you're in, look towards the top of your screen. You should see your FPS displayed there if it's not showing up. Try hitting the search bar again. Open the NVIDIA control panel. On the left side, click Manage 3D Settings, then press Add, and a pop will appear. From there, find your game in the list and add it. Or you can browse manually and select it. Once that's done, the FPS counter should now appear in-game.